you season your stock in cooking determines how your food is going to taste. Your beef, your chicken, your turkey. So I added in my tropical Maggi. This is the best Maggi you can think of in cooking. The next thing is my curry. I go in with my curry and also go in with my thyme as well. Remember, we are making fried rice. And the next thing I added is my spicy tea, chicken spicy tea, but you can decide to use any seasoning of your choice. And another thing is this combo. This combo is banger, guys. So we have ginger and garlic, onions, bay leaf, horse pepper, and rosemary. Blend all that together. After blending, add the mixture into the stock. So this is how you'll be seasoning your turkey, your chicken, in making anything like rice or whatever. Okay, now give that a good mix and cover to simmer, cover to cook. So afterwards you open and you give that a good mix as well for the second time. Now you have to add in a little water to the stock. Add a little water to the stock. Give that a stir and cover. Remember, I didn't add like salt in my food because I use tropical in cooking. Tropical is the best. So now the chicken is done. Get that off. Get that off. This is how your meat stock should be. So I'm going to be stewing my chicken, but I have made the stew down. If you want to know how I made the stew, I'm going to also post the video next time. So now I found out that the chicken is dried. I have to add a little water from the stock. I had to add a little water from the stock to make it moisture. Afterwards, you cover to simmer for some minutes. Now the chicken is ready. Give that a good mix as well and put that aside. Now it's time for us to go make our almighty fried rice. This recipe, I bet you like it. Heat up oil, add in your blended onions. Blended onions is compulsory in making this fried rice. Then give that a good mix and allow it to fry. In frying, the next thing is we have to add in our scotch bonnet pepper, our green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper. I added in that and I go in with my curry. We are making fried rice. Go in with my tropical Maggi. In doing all this, you need to be generous and you need to be watchful because remember our stock, we added all those things so it wouldn't be too much. Give that a good mix and add in your meat stock. This is the time to add in your meat water. After adding your meat water, you give that a good mix. In making my jollof rice, my fried rice, I don't parboil the rice. I just wash the rice with hot water. Remember, wash your rice with hot water, don't parboil. So afterwards, I go in with my fried hot dogs. Go in with my fried liver. Afterwards, I cover to cook. Now the rice is almost ready, 85% done. I added in my carrot, my red kidney, and my sweet pepper, my sweet corn. I give that a good mix as well. Make sure you give that a good mix for everything to incorporate. Now cover again. In cooking this rice, make sure you cover with foil and lower your gas. All right. So now, guys, the rice is ready. When I tell you that this is the best fried rice you can think of, you wouldn't believe. Now it's time to serve my son. So guys, I don't cook finish. Oh. Time to serve my odogu. Time to serve my odogu. My odogu son. See fried rice now. You won't try. Go. Your chicken. Okay, nwa. Odogu dị na nwa. Nyekwa blab chicken. Chicken nke nnukwu. So guys, try this new recipe and come back for testimony. This is very tasty and good fried rice you can think of. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sticking by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. And for those who are supporting me so far, thank you, and hope you enjoy this video. Try and cook this rice and come back for testimony. Stop fry not because they said is fried rice you have to fry Chris come on for your body. Please, oh, I beg you. Thank you for joining. I love you so much. Bye.